Hello dear guys. Today I will show you how to crochet a very beautiful napkin. But before the video starts, please like and subscribe. I will be very pleased. It is knitted very, very simply. But very, very beautifully. She is very, very bright and will not leave anyone indifferent. The color is very bright. But also very, very cute, and it knits very, very simply. I took 2 hooks. The yarn I have is Pakorka, a children's novelty, yarn for hand knitting, color 06 red. Here's a look at what I've come up with so far. Once I've knitted the heart itself, I'm just now starting to knit around the edge. The marker tells me that this is the end of the row, and that I need to start with this arch. I make 5 air loops and insert a hook into the arch. And like this until the end of the row. I make 5 air loops each. This is what we get. I will, of course, tie the entire napkin, since I just like it when it is completely obligated. Well, you can even stop there. Well, that's it guys, that's all. But before that I want to tell you about my Telegram channel. There I post a lot of interesting and useful things. Come in, you won't regret the link in the description. Goodbye, like, subscribe to my channel and write comments. Bye bye.